Hello students, I am Dr. Sunanda. Today I am going to discuss some numericals for the NEET students. Let us see question number 1. A mixture of gases contain hydrogen and oxygen gases in the ratio of 1:4. What is the molar ratio of the two gases in the mixture? Here, a mixture of gases contain hydrogen and oxygen gases in the ratio by mass it is given 1:4. Here gases contain hydrogen and oxygen and the ratio of the masses that is 1:4. What is the molar ratio of the two gases in the mixture? And we have to convert it into in the form of moles and we have to get the molar ratio. You know the molecular weight of hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 32. So this is the molar ratio. This is the mass ratio. Now it has converted to molar ratio. Now this molar ratio, if you will see, then you will get the answer 32 is to 8, that is equal to 4:1. So question number 1, A is the correct answer. 4:1. It is the molar ratio of hydrogen and oxygen. It is very simple. First, it is given in the ratio of mass. We are then converting it into the ratio of the moles. Then molar ratio has been asked and the answer is 4:1. Then question number 2, let us see. What volume of oxygen gas measured at 0 degree centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure is needed to burn completely 1 liter of propane gas measured under the same condition? Now, propane is C3H8. It bonds with the oxygen and the product is your carbon dioxide and water. Then you balance it. C3, so here multiply it by 3 and rest oxygen and water we will balance. H8, so here it will be 4 and oxygen 3, 6, 4, so it will be 5. So now it is a balanced chemical equation. That means propane reacts with 5 mole, 1 mole of propane reacts with 5 mole of oxygen to give 3 moles of carbon dioxide and 4 mole of water. Question is, what volume of oxygen measured at 0 degree centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure to burn completely 1 liter of propane? Now you see the equation itself, it shows 1 volume, it is equivalent to 5 volume of oxygen. So if it is 1 liter, then obviously it will be equal to 5 liter. So the answer is your C, 5 liter. If you will take in the mole volume, then the ratio will be 1:5. So 5 liter of oxygen will be required for the complete combustion of 1 liter of propane. Now question number 3. In Haber's process, 30 liter of dihydrogen, here dihydrogen and 30 liter of dinitrogen, it gives ammonia, were taken for the reaction which yielded only 50% of the expected product, and ammonia which we are getting, in the question it has been mentioned that you are getting only the 50% of the product. Now what you have taken? You have taken 30 liter of dihydrogen and 30 liter of nitrogen. It is not balanced. First balance the equation. Nitrogen, here it is equal to your 3 hydrogen, 2 ammonia. So now it is balanced. Now here 3 parts of hydrogen, that means reacts with 1 part of your nitrogen by volume to give 2 moles of ammonia. That is 3 mole of hydrogen reacts with 1 mole of nitrogen to give 2 mole of ammonia. Now, if you see, both are taken here 30 liter and 30 liter. Obviously, one is excess because here only 3 mole reacts with only 1 mole. So, here 30 mole, here 30 liter will react only with 10 liter of nitrogen because the ratio shows 3:1. So, if you have taken 30, only 10 liter of nitrogen will be consumed. Okay. So, 10 liter of nitrogen, now here you see this is 3 mole, this is 1 mole, this is 2 mole. If it is 1 mole, it is equivalent 1 mole of nitrogen, it is equivalent to 2 mole of ammonia. So, 10 liter of nitrogen, it will be equivalent to 20 liter of ammonia. Now, question is 20 liter of ammonia provided you are getting 100% product in this condition. But here it is mentioned your product you are getting 50%. So, you are not getting 20 liter of ammonia, but you are getting 10 liter of ammonia in the product. Now, 10 liter of ammonia means how much of nitrogen and how much of hydrogen? Here 2 liter of ammonia is equivalent to 1 liter of nitrogen. So, 10 liter of ammonia will be equivalent to 5 liter of nitrogen. Now, you have taken 30 liter of nitrogen, out of which only 5 liter is reacting to give you 10 liter of ammonia. That means 30 minus 5, 25 liter of nitrogen, it is not reacting, it is excess. And how much your 10 liter, 5 liter of 10 liter of ammonia you are getting? 5 liter of nitrogen it is reacting. So, 5 liter of nitrogen it will consume only 3 times of hydrogen. That means your 15 liter of hydrogen. 15 liter of hydrogen. But how much you have taken? You have taken 30 liter. 15 liter consumed. So, what is left? 15 liter of hydrogen is left. Now, let us see the answer. Here 20 liter of ammonia cross because we are getting 10 liter of ammonia. Here 20, here 20, so A, B, C it is crossed. Now the fourth one is 10 liter of ammonia and check whether the other part is correct or not. Now you see 25 liter of nitrogen you are getting and 15 liter of hydrogen you are getting in the product. Okay, so in the product you are getting 5 liter of ammonia, sorry 10 liter of ammonia and these are the, so the correct answer is D. Now let us see question number 4. Here liquid benzene bonds in oxygen according to the equation this. This is benzene formula C6H6. It is reacting with oxygen. It is giving carbon dioxide and water. Now question is how many liters of oxygen at STP are needed to complete the combustion of 39 gram of liquid benzene. Now let us write the equation first. C6H6 that is benzene. It is given in the equation itself. 2 mole of benzene. It reacts with 15 mole of oxygen to give 12 mole of carbon dioxide and 6 mole of water. Okay. Now it is given are needed to for the complete combustion of 39 gram of liquid benzene. So you have got 39 gram of liquid benzene. Now what is the molecular weight of benzene? That is your 78 gram. So 39 gram of benzene is equivalent to 39 upon 78 mole. That is equal to half mole. Okay, so 39 gram, half mole of liquid benzene you have taken. So question what is asked? How many liters of oxygen? How many liters of oxygen? at STP are needed to complete the combustion of 39. Now we have to find out the volume of oxygen in liter for the complete combustion of half mole of benzene. Now 2 mole of benzene, now you see in this equation, 2 mole of benzene is equivalent to 15 mole of oxygen. So you have got half mole of benzene. So half mole of benzene will be equivalent to how much oxygen? So 15 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. This is the mole of oxygen. How many liters? You know 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 22.4 liter, and you are getting this much of mole of oxygen, because from this equation again you see 2 mole of benzene is equivalent to 15 mole of oxygen. So your half mole of benzene you are getting from 39 gram of benzene. So half mole of benzene is equivalent to 15 upon 2 into 1 by 2, this mole of oxygen. Now 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. Now this mole of oxygen will be equal to how much? If you will see the calculation, you will get 84 liter of oxygen. So your 39 gram of benzene will consume 84 liter of oxygen at STP for complete combustion. Now this is all about these 4 numericals. In the next PYQ, I will come to you see this. I will solve some numericals for the IIT JEE question. So please students, keep in touch with our channel. Please subscribe it, and you will come to know more and more video about your numericals and all. Thank you.